There are a lot of things around YouTube you can find about the dropshipping and about the eBay and about how it should be. But you know what? In reality, people are making only pennies at the best. I teach manual dropshipping, and if you do manual dropshipping comparing to automation, what it does is it sets you apart and you are becoming authentic, because you have to be authentic with what you do. If you can be original, you don't need to list hundreds and hundreds of products. You need to list just few products, guys. This is what we do. We list few products and we sell those products multiple times in a day. Hot selling product for you, of course, is this grab step. And let's just dig in details to find out how you can do the same. Well, I wouldn't recommend to start with the 2 times bundle for you, because, well, I don't know, but I never found out this would be working very well. I always start, if I make bundles like 2 packs or some, I always start with the one. Okay, so in this case, you can use the title or part of the title and change a little bit. And here is some little details I want to mention. Probably, if I remember right, this was a very important keyword here: bolt on fold down. Those connections, you can check them out on the internet, but this is the part of the keyword which is really specific and really good one. So those are the kind of like part of the essence here in this title. Well, title is a very, I would say, very good one, and it put me on a totally different track with all those cheap stuff sellers who try to sell the same, just copy paste method. Okay, so this title is nice. The category, you can use 2 categories if you want. You're gonna need to pay for another extra category. As you have seen, I didn't. It's just 1 category. Start with the 3 pictures. As I said already, don't need to make 6 pictures. Start with 3 pictures, let them sell. Okay, a price at this point on Amazon there was $10 something price. I don't recommend for you to go over, let's say, what, start with something like even 14.97. Okay, that would be just my recommendation. 14.97 if it's $10 on Amazon, and sell it once. If you sell it 3 times 0, as it's recommended on a 7.99 strategy, uh, for the boosting sales. Okay, it just depends what you want to do with this. But if you want to boost and make hot selling product, that's how I would start it. Okay, it's 3 times 0, and then you just follow the eBay Gator strategy, and very easy. Okay, quantity, do not put more than 2 at the beginning. First time when you list the item, put only 2 here, not 12. It's just I'm on different spot here, 2. Okay, not 12. When one sold, come back again and put 2. Most likely it can be sell even both of them. Somebody will just, because I sold those, you see why I'm selling 2 pack, because many people choose to buy 2 of them. Okay, so it can be like if you're running out and the first buyer is buying 2, okay, well, put next time 3. Okay, but make 3 sales, not 3 sold items. Okay, don't tell me, so I sold 3 of them, can I raise now the price? No, you need to sell 3 times. Okay, if they are selling 3 times 2, it means only that you sold not 6, but you sold 3 times. Okay, so it's about the times, not about how many products you sell. And then you'll go from eBay Gators tactic and follow that. Brand, as you can see, the brand. Okay, folding truck step. I put exactly the with the dashes in here, and manufacturer part number. This is I don't know where did I get this. I think I got this from the previous seller I was following, which was selling those expensive, and it doesn't really matter. It doesn't matter because this one have no manufacturer part number, or if it is, it doesn't matter. Okay, but what I found, well, if somebody is looking for something like for those parts, they will come and land on my offer, and probably, well, they will like it more than somebody which is selling for 70 bucks. Now this is kind of like important piece here. I left purposely blank, because if your circle goes a little bit, your cells will not be as good as if the circle is full. How to get the full circle? Just follow this as much as you can, fill up the item specifics. In this case, all what I need to do is put the powder coated, because it is powder coated. And when I put this, you see what happens. Automatically it's all done, and I'm in best search results here. Okay, so you can find out the item specifics, how I use here. If you need, you can stop the video. Everything is shown on the screen here. Okay, folding front, I'm just adding those here. It's very easy. You just put here up or what, and you can add the word add or upper here. In this case, this word, those are added words, so I just put all the what I imagine where they can put there. Okay, performance custom and bolt on. Sometimes I just put them. It really doesn't mean anything, but just if I need to get if I need to get the circle full blue, the blue moon, okay, I just put a lifetime warranty. Yeah, why not? Who cares if it's broken after 1 year? Okay, but this is kind of like the best what I can offer. Of course, you can sometimes I do here not a lifetime, but I simply put. I don't want to do this. Type in here with the big letters word yes. Lifetime warranty? No, but the warranty? Yes, I have warranty. Okay, so don't leave it blank. And those are the adding heavy duty, kind of like part of my keywords. You got the keywords in a description already. I gave you in a document here, trailer rear step grab, and I'm trying to put even ATV footrest. That most people try to like look for it, because I think I read this on Amazon's review that somebody says for ATV footrest it can be good. And so okay, folding ATV footrest, that's where you adding them here. You see, you can add more things if you want. I don't need that, but you can use this one by using specifics. Okay, and then you can write ATV and oops, ATV, and then blah blah blah. Here you write. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. You know how to do this. It's very simple. Okay, so about here we got about my item description. Okay, and no, yeah, item description, bumper step rear grab handle bolt on. Again, you see, bolt on fold down, because I told you those words are really powerful words. People are looking for them for different use. That's what I found out. Okay, always try to find out your own, like something like specific, really specific. That would be like a nugget for your any listing you are listing down there. Don't be just jerk and just do copy paste whatever it says on Amazon. Okay, you're not gonna sell much. Okay, black cast steel folding step grab. Again, black cast steel. It's smart here because I put in a keywords. There is a lot more keywords there. And pack of two. Let them see immediately that this is pack of two. To avoid all those foolish comments, is it 2-pack or is it only one? Okay, so it's 2-pack here, and if there is any dots they can see here. All right, so nothing special here. I made this one. I used to make descriptions actually very different from Amazon descriptions, and I'm using you can use whatever you want to use sources. Sometimes I'm just simply write on Google. You can do like you can find this. Take the Amazons, yes, take the Amazons part of the title and paste it on a Google, and at the end write reviews, or start with the word reviews for blah blah blah, grab, and because there is a lot of people who are trying to make money by reviewing the products. Especially you can go on a YouTube and find, sometimes on a YouTube there is a how to install this, and people are, all sorts of different crazy things you can find on the internet by using it. All right, so we can make good money on this if we are willing to take an extra step and not be an average dropshipper. Okay, that's how you guys make hot selling products, and this is one of my hot selling product. And I am outstanding not only with the price, but I'm outstanding also with the service I provide. And yes, you can stop again the video if you need, and you can see some mistakes here. Maybe not, it's just how people differently product common use. This is another thing I want to say, because it's interesting thing I sometimes I use, because I want to trigger the keywords: military trucks, off-road trucks, truck equippers, vehicles, trucks, tractors. Okay, those are the things people are typing in a search engine. That's why I use this sentence here: product common use, and then I put the keywords. I hope those keywords. Okay, that's how you make hundreds of sales, guys. Okay, so what else? This feature is explained already in 7.99. Don't need to explain that. Fixed price always. I do not recommend to go for a best offer. Never do this. I just avoiding that as just I never did it. Well, I did many years ago. It's so annoying. It's so annoying. I know I have heard about a lot of stories, and eBay is offering you to just the best price offer. No, stay away, stay away, stay away from that. Okay. What else here? Quantity, I told you already. Do donate, yes. Okay, so you know how to set up this already, is in eBay Getter inside that part. And 60 days. Well, you see, the people who will gonna buy such a product like this, they are not, they will gonna return it anyway if it's something what they don't like it, or if it's not fitting. Doesn't matter how many days, 1 day or 3 days. But this is kind of like serious people. They will not gonna jerk around you and say, oh, okay, now it's 59 days, I can send it back, I don't need anymore. I don't think so, I don't believe so. Okay, so this is not such a product. So very firmly I can put here 60 days, and never had any returns. No, I got, honestly, I got some returns because it does not fit. Okay, but anyway, it's just, you are covered by eBay. And yes, I put this one because I believe this helps. Replacement and exchanges available. Yes, and make sure your settings are quite similar to mine here. Okay, so what's next here? I use expedited shipping 1-3 days because it ships very well. Sometimes I change and jump here from 2 days to 3 days. You start with 3 days. I recommend to start with 3 days and find out how it works for you. Handling time 3 days. Okay, if it works very well for you, switch on 2 days. Okay, and well, that's pretty much all. Well, one more thing here. Yes, on some probably you will gonna see, I will not gonna come back to this, but this is just as I landed here. On some items you will probably see here a specific state or specific city, town, or state here. I used to change just because I have a body over in New Jersey and another body I have in Texas. One of my, well, those are my private clients, and we are cooperating. So and that's why it's another story. It's not part of this. This is the part of monopoly stuff. But that's why if somebody is saying, "Hey, Andrew, you said we have to put item location United States, United States." Yes, that's what I said. This is what I'm doing. But in some cases, when I switch to monopoly, I do specific state. If I selling products only in Texas, here we're going to be Texas. If I'm selling specific products only in let's say in New Jersey, I'm just putting New Jersey there. Okay, but that's part of monopoly. Just to avoid the confusion, don't ask me about this and stuff like that, how to do this and why I'm doing this and why it's different. Just go with the regular 799 training item locations 2 times United States. Okay, don't bother if you see another places here. It just means I'm selling with monopoly to specific state, and if you are living in California or France or somewhere, you will not gonna see my product because I'm not selling to your state or Chicago or Florida. If you're from Florida, I'm wondering why I'm not seeing my product, because I'm not selling there. Okay, so that's advantage of being in a monopoly. Okay, so what else? Pretty much all. This product is not offer. Yeah, well, I think I will gonna finish here. This all what I have to say about this product. Enjoy selling. Enjoy your sales and money. Take care. Bye bye. See you next video.